Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue which is based on the role of the transfer pricing officer. The issue before the Kolkata ITATC bench in the present case was that whether the transfer pricing officer can go into the integrity that whether the assessee has got the benefit of some expenditure or not. Because as per the understanding of the role of the transfer pricing officer, the role of the transfer pricing officer is restricted to determining the arm's length price of the international transactions. So the issue before the tribunal was that whether the transfer pricing officer was justified to go into the integrity that whether an expense was required to be incurred by the assessee or not. This issue has been very well taken up by Kolkata ITATC bench in the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Apollo Glen Eagles Hospitals Limited. This case has been reported in 129 ITR Tribunal at page number 352 and the date of the judgment is 27th April 2023. The facts of the case are like this. The assessee has entered into a joint venture agreement between A and G to build and run a multi-specialty hospital. During the previous year relevant to the assessment year, the assessee has to pay a 5% of the gross revenue of the assessee to A and G in equal proportion of 2.5% each as management fees. The assessee adopted the transactional net margin method as most appropriate method to compute the arm's length price, and the assessee profit indicator was higher than the industry average in the present case. When this matter was before the assessing officer, the matter was referred to the transfer pricing officer to determine the arm's length price of the transactions. The transfer pricing officer rejected the transactional net margin method of the assessee and applied the comparable uncontrolled price method and not any of the methods prescribed in Rule 10D of the Income Tax Rules 1962. The transfer pricing officer does not give heed to the precondition for applying the comparable uncontrolled price method, and because for applying the comparable uncontrolled price method there is a condition that the price of the same product should be available in uncontrolled conditions. When this matter was before the CIT appeal, because on the basis of the transfer pricing officer report the assessing officer has made the upward additions, the CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee on the ground that the assessee has received the management services, so the assessee should get the benefit. When the revenue took the matter to the tribunal said that in the present case it is a clear-cut case of exceeding the jurisdiction by the transfer pricing officer. The tribunal said that in the present case, by questioning whether the management services were received or not, the transfer pricing officer has exceeded his jurisdiction. The tribunal said that it is the domain of the assessing officer to determine whether the expense is required or not, and it is not the domain of the transfer pricing officer to determine whether the expense is incurred or not. The transfer pricing officer is to determine only the arm's length price and not the commercial expediency. The tribunal said that in the present case there is contradiction in the approach of the revenue, because on the one hand the arm's length price has been taken as nil, and on the other hand it was held that the services received were in the nature of shareholder activity or stewardship. The tribunal said that in the present case the transfer pricing officer has not pinpointed any defect in the assessee's benchmarking, and in the present case the transfer pricing officer does not the approach of the transfer pricing officer does not meet the judicial approval. According to the tribunal, in the present case, the basic condition for applying the comparable uncontrolled price method by the transfer pricing officer is not met, because the comparable uncontrolled price method can be applied only when the independent price of the product or service is available in uncontrolled conditions. So in the present case, the TPO has exceeded its jurisdiction in determining whether that service was required or not. So whatever the order the CIT appeal has given is upheld by the tribunal. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Apollo Gleneagles Hospitals Limited, and this case is reported in 129 ITR Tribunal at page number 352, and the date of the judgment is 27th April 2023. Thank you, friends.